So I thought I would show you the old house as well, just to make the footage a bit longer. This is the front door that we would normally come in. I've just come from the garage. I've just got the girls in the car with me so they didn't have to stay home alone again. So basically coming in the front door, I had the big entry like table there with some decor and stuff on it. Then on the right hand side is the theatre, but we had our pool table in here, and I also did all of my like product shoots in this room. So this was the theatre, and if you turned left, then this was my little makeup room. So it's actually meant to be like a little study or office, whatever you want to call it, but yeah, I made it into my makeup room because I used one of the other rooms as my office. Then past the makeup room, you go into the main bedroom. I'm okay to step on this carpet and the pool table carpet because I need to re-vacuum them because some of the hairs have come up from the carpet cleaning. But yeah, our bed was up there. We had like a little TV there and stuff. So this was the main bedroom. And then if you keep walking, this was my walk-in robe. And this was Morgan's walk-in robe. Then in here was our ensuite. So hey, that's me. So the ensuite, then was the double shower. And there was the toilet. Then for the rest of the house, you walk out. So this house is quite a lot bigger. We don't have like this room or like this room at the other house. So walking down the hallway, we had a massive walk-in linen press. So it was so massive. We really loved it because we could fit everything we needed to in here. Like the top one was just like our Christmas decorations and stuff. And yeah, it was just ginormous. Then keep walking through, and to the right along here we had our TV, we had our lounge here, and then the single lounge like over in there. Then back here I have my Tupperware cupboards, and the dog toys and the carpet for the dogs to play on. This area here in front of the kitchen was like nothing. Sorry if this is echoey, it's because the house is now empty. We didn't really have anything here. We did have Evie's cage here for her safe spot, and I had the popcorn machine over there. This was the dining room. So that's a big double door to get out as well. There's another door, that's where the doggy door was attached to. And then this was the kitchen. So we had our fridge and freezer there. But yeah, it's just pretty basic kitchen. This was the pantry. Nice and big walk-in pantry. We don't have a walk-in one at the new house, so I'm super sad about that. And then if we walk through what was our lounge room, I'll start at the first one. So this room was the kids' room. I can't walk on these carpets because he hasn't told me to do anything on these ones, so the pile has to be correct. So yeah, this was the kids' one. So we had the bunk bed and then the single. This was the spare bathroom. Hallway. Laundry. So we had our dryer here and our washing machine there. Another side entry. Toilet. The laundry cupboards. There. Come back out. This was the spare room for adults. All of these like curtains and light shades were all here already. And then this was my office. So my desk was against the blue wall, and Morgan's was against this wall. So yeah, that has a little cupboard in it as well, but this one didn't. So we put like our paperwork and stuff in there. And you've seen the yards before. We still haven't got the gardening done yet. We're going to do that next week, so I'll leave it at that. So this is the master. So we have a thing to put the TV on. This is the walk-in robe, much smaller. This is the little ensuite, his and hers. That's me, hi. Little area to hang a towel. It's for the toilet. And then if we go around here, this is the double shower. So when you walk out of the shower, you see the bed and everything. So this is the entry to the house. On the left is the master, and you keep walking. On the right is the garage and little nook area for me to put like a whole table. This is the theatre, so this is going to be our lounge room with our massive TV we just brought from them. It does have sliding doors as well. Then if you keep walking, you hit the kitchen, dining and lounge room. So we're going to make this the pool table and dining area. Outside there is a little deck and there's a trampoline left behind. I won't show you outside right now because they're still working on it. But this is the kitchen, which I think is absolutely stunning. Like, how pretty is that? So the stools will go down. Nice big stove and oven. That's the fridge we brought. And around here you've got double sink, dishwasher, microwave we brought. Then if you turn to the right here, we have our little coffee nook. And we just wrote some things. Here's the zoning for the aircon. Go into here and here's the laundry. Just a little area for us to put something. Maybe a spare fridge. So going back through the kitchen. And this is the first bedroom. So has the mirrored robe there. And I brought the little Lego thing from them, but it's got this to put the kids' toys in. Nice little sized room. So to the left, that's the kitchen and the dining room and stuff. So keep going. In this door is the spare bathroom for guests. So we've got a nice big shower with the green head. We've got a little sink, we've got a nice tub. Just left a little plant. So really cute. On this side there is like a little nook area. And this is the linen press. So nice massive linen. Let's close that up. So that's directly across from the bathroom. Then the toilet's next to the bathroom. Then we get into this room. So this is going to become the guest room. So again, mirrored robes and nice big queen sized room, and has a nice big lovely window going onto the backyard. So once the yard is all done, that will look good. Then on this one here, it's going to become the office. So it's nice and long, so we're thinking we might put our desks together. But yeah, just a standard one. Again, if you look outside, mirrored robe again. So yeah, that is the empty house, but the most exciting part is definitely the kitchen. This is the big bifold door, so it's like 3 sections. So it opens all the way up for entertaining purposes. Same with the fly screen, does the same thing. But we've got a nice little deck, so we're going to set it up with the table and chairs. I think we're going to pop the barbecue around the side. There's maybe some baking, but I think we're going to pop the barbecue around here. But this is the yard. So we've got gates. There's a lock on it at the moment. But in case we need to put like the trailer or something in the back, then we can. The yard is a bit messy. They've apologized. It's all right. They're getting a gardener in. And they ran out of time of getting things done. So yeah, I'm not sure if they're paving that area still or if they're going to put some more grass down. Not 100% sure, but it's a nice big, you know, side area. And then it has a trampoline, which I'm going to keep for now and see if my friends' kids play on it. If they do, then we'll keep it in the yard. If they don't, then we will get rid of it. The slide table and little green swimming pool thing was all the kids stuff as well, like the owner's kids stuff. I'm not sure if her dad's gonna come and take it because there's stuff in the garage that he's coming to get, or if it's stuff that I need to put out for the roadside collection. There's a whole pile of junk under here as well that I need to get rid of. Evie's exploring under there, the ball and everything as well. I think I'm gonna ask Morgan to move the trampoline over that side, just because, I mean, we don't have kids, so like we don't need to see it. So yeah, if we put over there, but then it's, yeah, this nice big yard. So that's the window to my office. And then keep going around. This is the window to this spare room. So this will be the like guest room for adults. This here was just blocking this side area whilst they did the concrete down there from their dog. So I'm not sure what's happening here as well, whether they're paving, concreting, whether it's just going to stay sand. I'm not too sure yet. But go down the side here. There's a little dog next door. So I think we're all getting used to each other. Here is, this side needs to be cleaned a lot, but this is the toilet window, I think. Yeah, that's the toilet window. So you keep coming down, and this is all fresh concrete. This is the bathroom window, like the main bathroom, not the ensuite one. And come down, and then we get to the laundry door. So we've just put our doggy door back in now, so the girls can get out. And yeah, the only other thing I'm a bit worried about is this little turny area here. Worried about the girls trying to get up there because Macy's like really small, so Morgan's gonna have to do something to block it out, but hopefully she won't. So yeah, that is the backyard.